Hi everybody, this is Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great day. It's pretty rainy here in BC. I hope it's nice where you're at, staying safe and all that fun stuff. We're not in full lockdown yet, but I'm sure that's coming with the added cases and the extra deaths, unfortunately. So I'll keep you updated on that. How is everybody's area? Are you guys in lockdown, semi-lockdown, anything like that? Leave your comments below. And when I hit 500, I'm going to be doing a great giveaway, so you definitely want to subscribe so you don't miss out on that. And make sure that you ring my bell. You like all the videos that you enjoy, and a thumbs up is always appreciated. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into my people's missing Christmas gift from my husband Ted. So this was ordered on December 24th, and I just got it today on January 9th. Alright, so let's go ahead and see what I got. You get an invoice. And this one came in a little bit different box as my first one. So I got no notification, nothing in the mail, no call, but it was at the People store. So what the lady said was check about every 10 days for your missing items, and then hopefully it will get there. Alright, so these are silver hoops. Pretty cool. I don't have any silver except for a few pieces. Alright, so that's my unboxing for today. I hope everybody's staying safe. And until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a great week, guys. Bye now.